Hi everyone, I'm Sridevi. Welcome to my gardening series. Today let's talk about Musa Batsu, winter hardy banana. It's also called Japanese banana plant, and I'm growing this plant since 1.5 years. I got it as a very small plant, few centimeters height, and I grew them in the pot for 4 months. After that I transplanted to the soil, and now this is second year. As you can see, it has also got a lot of baby plants here, looking very healthy. It adds a beautiful decoration to your garden. Not only decoration, you can also use this leaves for cooking, also for serving food. And if this plant produces fruit, it's going to be with a lot of seeds. So this plant is mainly grown for decoration and for its leaves. Now let's take a look at the baby plants. So you can see this has got some baby plants this year. So there are 2 large ones and there are few smaller ones down. I also transplanted a couple of baby plants this morning to a pot to separate them. This banana plant had 5 pups. 3 of them were small and 2 of them were little larger. Baby plants can be transplanted once they are 30 centimeters in height and above. Let's start separating one of the baby plant. Try to carefully loosen the soil surrounding the baby pup and slowly try to lift it with your garden tool and remove the plant. To have a successful transplant, the plants has to be removed along with the roots. When separating the plants, it's important to carefully remove the plant along with the roots. Please make sure that the roots are not damaged from the baby plant. After loosening the soil on the sides, with the help of shovel, you can carefully lift the baby plant away from the mother plant. There are 2 types of suckers or baby plants. One which is having sword shaped leaf, the other one is having broader leaf. The sword shaped one will grow vigorously, so it's better to choose a sword shaped baby plant for transplanting. The best part of growing banana plant is that year after year you will have multiple plants coming up with a single mother plant. So as you can see, this is a baby plant having good root system, and there is a portion where it was connected to the mother plant. This is this white area which also has been separated. After the plant is removed, you can transplant the plant to the pot or to the soil. I am transplanting to a pot to have an indoor plant. This baby plant is little shorter and it has got a good root system, so this will survive. Today I am going to make a recipe using the banana leaf. So let's harvest some of the leaves. Beautiful leaf, ready for cooking. We used to have many plants in India in our garden, and we harvest them and use it for cooking and also for serving food. In Germany, it was a dream to have a banana plant, and now with Musa Batsu, I am happy to have this plant. It's a winter hardy banana plant. It gives beautiful leaves, broader leaves, which can be used for cooking and also serving food. So I'm happy with growing Musabatsu. It's a winter hardy plant. It can tolerate frost and as well as snow. And this is from last year until now. It's since 1.5 years this plant is growing well with less maintenance. So during winter you need to protect this plant. So I have cut it nearly 1/2 meter height till this, and then covered it with a sack, jute sack, and then on top of it a plastic sheet, and then wrapped it with rope. I left it like this until the winter and frosty season is over, and then I removed them next year during the springtime. So this plant currently is from April till September. This is the growth, and it's 1.5 years old plant. Let's do harvesting of one more leaf. So this is let's make some recipe with this banana leaf. This is stuffed brinjal in Asian European style fusion dish. I also made spicy fish wrapped in banana leaf and later cooked them in the pan. Follow my channel for these recipes and also some more recipes and gardening tips. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and also share and click the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.